how to use camera to record video with background music playing. So first, let's go back to the home screen. Then tap on settings. Now in settings, we scroll down and tap on camera. Next, we scroll down and tap on record sound. And here, make sure you turn on allow audio playback. So tap on the toggle button to turn on this feature. Then we swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now I'm going to open up a sample audio file. So here, I go to my file and play a song. Now I'll open up the camera and video. So now I will record the video, and we will also record the video with the background sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.